Philippinism is a way of Filipinos on how to express themselves in English. So, isisimulan yan ng mag-iisip ng Tagalog.
Yes.
Ginagawa mo ba yan?
Ginagawa ko siya.
Yan.
Like that.
Bakit? Why? Why do you speak? Why do you think in Tagalog first?
Because I want to translate the other term of English. Then, if there's a difficulties, find ways in what vocabulary is this in this term. For example, I want to off the light like that, and then don't know if I am correct to say that to others because it is I don't know if it is proper or what like that.
Right. So, for example, sabi mo, patayin yung ilaw.
Yes, patayin yung ilaw.
Patayin yung ilaw. So, pag inisip mo yun, ano yun in English?
Just thinking that I want to off the light like that.
Right? Off the light. Or
off or turn off like that.
Turn off. Turn off is right. But usually, Filipinos will say open and close. Right?
Okay.
Diba? Buksan, patayin. Diba? Buksan, isara. So,
just like open the lights.
Open the light. So, that is wrong. Actually. And that is one example of Filippinism. Kasi, direct translation siya from Tagalog to English. Which is the problem. Kaya ang sabi dito, if you apply it in conversations with native English speakers, for example, Americans, Canadians, Australians, there will be confusion. Hindi ka nila maintindihan. Kasi parang, how do you open the light? What do you mean open the light? How do I open the light? Because if you say open the light, it's like opening a door. Right?
Yes.
Right? But for us, kasi sa Tagalog, open kasi buksan.
Tama, open.
Open, di ba? But then the right thing to say is turn on or turn off.
Turn off and turn on.
Yes, that's the right English term for that, right? Okay.